Hello friends, welcome to the session. In last session we learned about object destructuring in React, and in this session we will learn about React developer tools and what it does and how can it get helpful to us. So first let's see where we can find the React developer tools. So inside the browser, let's go to the Google and search for React Dev Tools. So this React Developer tool is an extension we can put inside Chrome or Firefox. So here is a React Dev tool Chrome extension, and we can, let's see this also, and for Firefox also let's hit it, and React Developer tool we can see this for Firefox as well. So for Chrome, so it don't allow me to see because I'm using Firefox soon. So this React Developer tool you can install in Chrome, and this extension you can install in Firefox. So now I have already installed it in Firefox. So let's get into the dev tool. So here is our component. So inside this we are seeing two React images here. One is component and another is profiler. So we will be seeing what this component does, and clicking on the component we will get this another element selecting icon from where we can select different component. But we have this component tree as well, where we are seeing app and counter. So on clicking in the app, we are seeing here is props, source and something inside below. But when I click in the counter, we are seeing this props here, right? So props has got two things. One is count, another is count to, as there is like this count and this count too. So we are seeing this props in dev tool as well. So this props, this component counter is rendered by app, see. So this is also true. So this information we can get from the developer tool. So let's make a state inside this, and let's see what happens. So state is equal to try dot hello world. So let's see what we will see in the dev tool now. So inside this counter now we not only have props but we have state as well. So whenever this state gets changed, so let's see, whenever this state gets changed, the change will be reflected in the dev tool as well. So for now I will just simply show the try to here, and this will render out hello world here. So here is our thing, and we can change the state from here as well. We can change the props also, see, it is getting changed and reflected to the browser. So we can play around this React Dev tool, and it will get really handy in finding the box in real life project. So we should use this dev tool. So there is one another thing also, profiler. So I will not go deep into it, but what it does is whenever this component get re-rendered, this profiler will listen how many time it takes to re-render, how many memory it takes and everything, and this will help us to benchmark the performance of the component we made. But no any component is getting re-rendered here, so this profiler is not capturing anything. So you can learn about it from React website itself, so we will not go into this for now. So that's all for this React DevTool session, and in next session we will learn about different lifecycle method inside the class component. So thank you for watching.